Listín Diario Editorial for June 1st of 2024. Under the scourge of viruses. The country is under the scourge of different respiratory viruses and gastrointestinal conditions. Reflections of environmental pollution exacerbated by rains and the accumulation of garbage. Although we are registering one of the largest dengue outbreaks this year, it appears that the first days of fumigation and elimination of host sources of the mosquito that produces it have slowed down. It is likely that the My election campaign influenced by dispersion or limitation of these efforts. The accumulation of solid waste public spaces increased after the last municipal elections, since the task of urban cleaning was abandoned by losing mayors. The successors were also unable to articulate an effective and systematic garbage collection, because their parties were then concentrating their forces for the presidential and congressional elections. The result of these oversights, we are now witnessing an increase in consultations and emergencies in private clinics due to symptoms of flu, COVID-19, dengue, and other respiratory viruses. A health crisis is full developed. Health authorities and citizens have to take measures to face the situation and prevent infections without further loss of time. As the hurricane season begins today, which is expected to be one of the most severe in the last 20 years, all the more reason to intensify preventive efforts. Education campaigns must be promoted to inform the population about measures to prevent respiratory and vector diseases. It is appropriate to increase vaccination against influenza and, if applicable, reinforcements of the COVID-19 vaccine, as well as to resume fumigation campaigns in areas with high accumulation of garbage and where cases of dengue are reported. Given that the flow of patients in private clinics seeking urgent care for flu infections is growing, health authorities must guarantee that there is sufficient personnel and medical equipment to care for them. For Listín Diario, voiceover and translations by Indira Rodriguez.